What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse, where we show you what's out there so you can decide if it's a buy or a pass. But to start the day, let's do a tiny task. I've got Paige from Naturalistas. She has really long hair and I want to try bubble braids. Out of the box, her hair reaches to the bottom of her hand. Naturalistas are all about a celebration of natural coils, curls, and crowns. This is the Paige doll from Series 2, where she has a different hair color than Series 1. I can usually find Naturalistas for about $12.99, created by Dee Wright Ward. We do have a few reviews on our channel. These dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation, so I tend to put them on made-to-move bodies. So before we start the braids, prepare the hot water. And this is a good time to bring out the Naturalistas Icon Salon. I think this is a cute playset. I bought two to make a backdrop when we're styling hair. We are swapping heads first, so I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and can be easily, easily, there we go, removed. Then while it's still warm, we place it on the made-to-move body, which does widen the jaw a little, but she can still fit most Naturalistas fashion. Have a seat, and let's get started. Let's start by taking her hair down and dividing it into sections, and secure with a rubber band. Warning, styling doll hair may result in hair loss and shedding. You have been warned. Once all the hair has been divided, I have 9 sections. Wrap rubber bands going down the hair, creating these little bubbles. We can also pull the hair a little to make the bubbles a little more bubbly. This totally took longer than I expected, like a few hours. I'm just gonna move a few around until it looks the way I want. I'm going to trim the ends, however, this is not necessary. You can band all the way to the end or leave a little poof, so our dolls can enjoy a few protective styles as well. And I love that we did her hair in this playset. Speaking of playsets, Barbie World has a few new ones out, like this wash and dry playset. It was about $25. No doll is included. On the back of the box, it says, "Welcome to your Barbie World. Build your best Barbie life." We can see the wash and dry playset in the illustration, along with a few others in little box rooms. But that's just the illustration. This playset doesn't come with a box room. Well, unless you count the box. That does have a pretty nice backdrop, but there is plastic sealed to it. How unfortunate. This playset comes with 2 standing units. One has a little shelf space with a printed backdrop. There's a small counter out to the side with a few sculpted details. Underneath, there are 2 shelves, a little piece out to the side, and a basket that we can remove. The other one comes with a pink rack on the top where we can hang the included hangers. There's a little towel and a washer and dryer unit underneath. There's a door that can open on the top, and you can see inside. It has a sticker control panel, a knob that turns, a wheel that spins around, so we can make it look like it's washing the clothes. The front door does open. We get a sign that says Barbie Laundry Room, a tiny pink ironing board that we can hang on the side. We have a little steamer, at least I think that's what this is, a few laundry products, a white iron, a pink spray bottle, 1 random sock, kinda love that, and a dog that can hold it. The sock has a little attachment on the end, so the dog can look like it's holding the sock in its mouth. I love that we're getting play sets to create our own spaces, but a recycled backdrop would have also been nice. Here it is next to a classic made-to-move Barbie body. The iron is larger than a Mini Brands home iron, but the Mini Brands is way more detailed. We could just say it's a travel iron. Overall, not a bad playset. However, $24.99? I think I would have felt a little better at about $19.99. For about $10, there's a happy birthday playset. Some assembly is required. The base looks pretty cool. It's tan with a wood grain. It is not finished in the back. There's a pink molded top that looks like a tablecloth with a bow. There are purple molded presents in the back with balloons and a banner. Stickers are included that we can add to the banner to give it more detail. There's a present that can open and hold an included pink bear. We've seen this bear a lot in a variety of colors. We have a nice little pale blue cake stand here to hold the included pink cake that has small holes where we can attach decorations. It would have been nice if one side didn't have holes so we could set it on the table and use it as is. The little decorations can also be used on the presents in the back. As an adult doll collector, I personally could live without the decorations. They seem a little out of place. I think it would have been nice to get a few cake toppers instead, but that's just me. We get a slice of cake that is molded to the plate, a pink star necklace, and a happy birthday headband. And here it is next to a doll for size. Also for about $10, here is a doctor visit playset. If you already have some Barbie doctor stuff, this could be an addition. On the back, we get an idea of how we could set it up if we want to build our own room. This playset comes with silver-colored crutches, a handheld balloon that I would love to add to the birthday set to give it more height and dimension. The balloon can be held in a doll's hand. We also get a boot, a little bandage wrap, a stethoscope, stickers, a medical bag that can open, another bear, and a silver laptop with an x-ray. That's pretty cool. For $10, here is the Sporty set with a small shelving unit that has a little screen at the top, a place to hold a racket. There's a shelf on the side and it does come with a tennis ball, a yellow hula hoop, a water bottle. We get a pair of purple and pink rollerblades that can fit on the shelf at the bottom. We get a pink helmet, a purple trampoline, and a basketball. This storage unit comes up to the doll's waist, so if your dolls like to work out at home, we can probably find a corner to keep it in. But I like this little interface. It reminds me of those home fitness mirrors. I edited a photo on my phone of a doll working out, printed it on photo paper so it's nice and glossy, stack and glue together a few layers of paperboard or poster board or foam board. I used a scrap of foam board and I cut a square out of the bottom. I cut another piece and glued it on for a base. Use a glue stick to glue on the photo. Add a few Barbie weights to the bottom so the dolls can exercise anytime from home. And we can put a different picture on the other side for different activities. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few playsets from Barbie World, and be sure to check back to see a few more. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!